Okay guys, welcome back. This is Roger. I'm going to do episode 2 of this video series for your informative essay assignment for Miss Charlie's class. So, the database we're going to look at this time is called Credo. So if you remember, we'll go to library databases. I'm going to scroll down to, where it at? There it is right there. So Credo Reference Collection, there's also a Credo Help Guide. I would suggest opening that up as well and saving it, downloading it to your computer so that it's handy. So let's go into that. Credo is a great place to start your searching. It will give you good background information on the topic. And I'll just do a quick search here. Doesn't really matter what it is. Just want to show you the layout here. And it's pretty obvious here. It found 2,000 results matching psychology. So Credo Reference is basically a place you go for quick answers, okay? It's going to have dictionaries, encyclopedias, atlases, and all of these things can be specialized as well, like the psychology dictionary, psychology encyclopedias, things like that, okay? That's why this is very, very useful to have. If we look over here to the right, we have what they're calling the mind map, and what that does is allow you to kind of get topics that are related to your search, because sometimes the search isn't just working for you, so you need something else, right? So if we click psychoanalysis, it will change the map, and it will change the results, typically. Now they have filters here. Generally the most common one you would use would be probably length, because this will give you the amount of content that you could expect to see. Short ones are going to be more like definitions. Mediums will be some content you could use, and the long ones will have substantial amount, probably starting more than 1,000 words. So that will give you lots of information that you can use to draw from, right? Now, there are others here, and it's fairly straightforward. Sometimes the publication time frame is important. Oftentimes you will get like a request to do within the last 5 years, and that's generally available through all the databases. So let's take a look at, let's say this first one looks good for us, okay? There's our title. Tells you it's an article. Tells you it's 4,900 words. Gives you a little bit about it, where it's from, publication year. And let's just click into it. Actually, let's do the second one, since it's an article. Be a little bit more up your interest level here. So this is the article. All the articles in our databases are going to have a way to save them, and it's going to be free. Just follow this, and they will all have citations as well. Because you all are requested to do this in MLA, you'll want to switch that over. Highlight, copy, and paste that into your works cited page immediately. So you should have this works cited page started at the beginning of the research. Don't try to construct it at the end once you've written your paper. That's destined for failure, and it's a lot of stress, and it doesn't always work out the way we want it to. So basically it's just rinse and repeat from here. You go back to your results, find another article, get the citation, save it, because these things are free. So I saw that you have a requirement of using 4 to 8 sources. Don't be lazy. Double or triple that. It's so easy, as you see, just from this particular generic search. There should be a lot available, okay? And it's easy to cite them, and it's easy to use them. So it makes your paper more substantial and more credible. That was Credo. They have been bought by this company, Infobase, so don't let that throw you. And that brings us to the end of episode 2. In the next episode, we'll get on to the EBSCO databases.